Doesn't look too bad considering it's made out of scrap. Right guys, welcome back to the shed. Today I'm going to build a lobster pot. I've had this old basket off a tricycle. I've had it sitting around for ages and I keep meaning to make a lobster pot with it, so I'm just going to go for it and give it a go. And so you've got the basket, an old bit of mesh thread laying around, an old plant pot. It's quite flexible, it's not like the brittle one. So yeah, we're going to use that for the entrance. And yeah, then just some cheap rope. That's basically it, so let's crack on. Alright, first of all, let's cut this to size. Great. Right, so I have to cut this mesh and fit the entrance. Perfect. Right, just got to cut this down a little bit. Okay, so it just goes in there. Just secure it with some zip ties. Alright, let's do this up from behind. Trim off the ends. Right, that's all secured now, so turn it over and we'll get the bottom zip tied on first of all. That's basically it, really, the structure built. All I've got to do is just wrap some rope around the edges just to protect it a bit, really, when it gets bashed about. It's already quite rusty. It might not last very long in the salt water, but other than a bit of rope and a few zip ties, it's not costing me anything, so I'm just going to try it and see how we get on. Right, I'll take a length of rope and just start winding. Wind it around on the corners, so the edges. Right, so I figure if I start in the middle and halfway down the rope, And then it'll be less length to mess around with. Right, so basically I've just got to do that all the way around. It's going to take me a little while, so I'll come back to you in a few minutes when I've got a bit further along. Right then, all done. Wound all the rope round all the corners. Have a look. Doesn't look too bad considering it's made out of scrap. Next thing to do is to see if it works. So pop back next time and we'll go down the beach and we'll find somewhere to try it out.